we've got Dr. Nima here, wonderful panel. Got a little bit heated at one point, but it's...
I love it. Yeah, no, that's what I'm here for. That's what we're all here for. Yeah.
Well, this is it. We want to know about, the different sides of things. Let's talk about what it is that you do exactly. Because you do a lot of the spiritual kind of side of things, don't you?
So, I have a clinic in London which nurtures every single aspect of human health. So from the physical, emotional, social, spiritual and intellectual. Now, we all know about the other four, but it's the spiritual aspect of human wellness that we pretty much, it's not involved in the traditional medical model, but it's one of the things that's foundational to health. Again, things that are linked on nervous system balancing, spirituality, it's a broad concept and there's so much room for perspectives, but it involves a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves, a sense of community, connecting with ourselves, incorporates mindfulness, and when we do things like this, we're ultimately having these physical manifestations as well, calming the nervous system, which is ultimately foundational to our health.
I mean, when you explained it, when you was up there, it was phenomenal to kind of listen to be fair. And, and talking about the sound, because you do a lot of sound therapy, and the vibrations, I mean, it's happening all around us right now. It's actually happening quite loud around us.
Well, as we know, energy is the life force of everything, right? And it's been proven that from atom down, we are made of something called the quark, which is ultimately a vibration. Vibration and energy are interlinked. Everything is as a result of energy. This very interaction is an energetic transference, right?
Yeah.
So we need to start looking at therapies that work on that energetic level. Sound healing, Reiki, all these things that have been here so much longer than modern medicine that we're not really listening to. But slowly, it's coming back. And there's so much research being done on all of these.
Well, obviously, NHS, there are kind of proven clinical, prescriptions out there that work. But there's also, I mean, like you say, functional medicine's been around for years, and it's just, people just trying it out. Is there anything in particular that's your favourite that you like, or is it depends on what you're going through?
Ooh, that's a very, very good question. Again, for me, it's nervous system balancing.
Yeah.
Once you balance your nervous system and regulate it.
And how do you do that? What's it? We're talking like Reiki, sound therapy. What is?
It could be as simple as, breath work, like box breathing, for example. Right. Breathing for 4, holding for 4, exhaling for 4, holding for 4. You don't need high tech. Everyone has access to mindfulness and nervous system.
That's exactly how I do my breath work.
Well, brilliant. Absolutely.
It's just it's the easiest kind of form, and it gets you going, doesn't it?
There's different breath works with different states that we want, but yeah, box breathing is incredible.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you.